Hello and welcome to our channel. Let us talk about the most amazing creatures of the world, dinosaurs. What are dinosaurs? History of dinosaurs, evaluation and eventual fate of dinosaurs. After watching complete video, you will find answers of all these questions, so watch the video till the end because there is something very interesting at the end. But before we dive in depth into our topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do press the bell icon to get notified of the latest videos we upload every time. What is the history of dinosaurs? Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for about 174 million years. This is what we know about her story. Dinosaurs were a group of prosperous animals that emerged 240 to 230 million years ago and dominated the world until a giant asteroid struck Earth about 66 million years ago. During this time, dinosaurs have evolved from groups of predominantly dog and horse-sized creatures to the largest beasts ever on land. Some carnivorous dinosaurs have shrunk over time and evolved into birds. In that sense, only dinosaurs other than birds have become extinct. During the approximately 174 million years that dinosaurs existed, the world has changed dramatically. When the dinosaurs first appeared in the Triassic 251.9 to 201.3 million years ago, they roamed the supercontinent Pangaea. But when the asteroid collided at the end of the Cretaceous 145 to 66 million years ago, the continent was about the same place as it is today. What is a dinosaur? The oldest definitive dinosaur fossil, dating about 231 million years ago, comes from the Ishigualas State Park in northwestern Argentina and includes the genera Herrerasaurus, Eoraptor, and Idromaeus. Steve Brusat, a paleontologist at the University of Edinburgh in Scotland, said that the Nyasasaurus genus, discovered in Tanzania about 240 million years ago, is an early dinosaur or dinosaur-like group that includes dinosaurs and their close relatives. Scientists are still confused about what it is. Whenever they first appeared, the unique anatomy of dinosaurs was different from other animal groups. Dinosaurs are archosaurs that are clade, different groups of animals that share a common ancestor, including crocodiles, pterosaurs, dinosaurs, and birds. Archosaurs occurred after the end of the Permian about 250 million years ago. Over time, some archosaurs, including dinosaur morphs, took an upright position. That is, the legs were under the body, not on the sides. As the archosaurs evolved, dinosaurs gained long tails, large leg muscles, and extra hip bones, allowing them to move quickly and efficiently. Initially, dinosaurs were not as diverse as the crocodile-like archosaurs they were living alongside. In fact, the dinosaurs did not succeed too quickly. The crocodile ruled the Triassic and then became extinct at the end of the Triassic, and the dinosaurs survived and took over. How many types of dinosaurs? As of 2022, there were 1,545 scientifically described dinosaur species, according to the Paleobiology database. About 50 unknown species are listed each year. In other words, about one newly discovered species is listed each week. All of these dinosaurs belong to one of the three groups: ornithischian, sauropodomorpha, and theropods. Ornithischian dinosaurs include beaked dinosaurs like Stegosaurus, duck-beaked dinosaurs known as Hadrosaurus, horned dinosaurs like Triceratops, and armored dinosaurs like Ankylosaurus. Some ornithischian squirrels walked on 4 legs, while others walked on 2 legs. The Sauropodomorpha dinosaur was a potbelly dinosaur with a long neck, a small head, and columnar limbs. This group includes sauropods such as Diplodocus, their small ancestors including Chromogesaurus, and oversized sauropods known as Titanosaurus. Theropods are a group of carnivorous dinosaurs, but some, such as Chilesaurus diosuarezi, have changed their diet to herbivorous or omnivorous. Theropods include Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor, and birds that evolved from small theropods. When do dinosaurs live? Dinosaurs have survived most of the Mesozoic era, a geological era that lasted from 252 million to 66 million years ago. The Mesozoic includes the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Dinosaurs evolved from the ancestors of small Triassic dinosaurs, which had a harsh and dry climate. They faced competition with the crocodile archosaurs for tens of millions of years, but eventually won when Pangaea began to divide. At that time, the volcano erupted along the lift of the supercontinent, causing global warming and mass extinction. During the Jurassic period, 201.3 to 145 billion years ago, dinosaurs prevailed and some grew to huge sizes. For example, the earliest Titanosaurus, Vorivria demparicensis, is 160 million years old. It weighed about 33,000 pounds, 15,000 kilograms, and measured over 50 feet, 15 meters in length. Symbolic dinosaurs of this era include Brontosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Diplodocus, and Stegosaurus. During the Jurassic period, flowering plants evolved and birds, including urvogels, first appeared. At the end of the Jurassic, there was a small extinction event that we didn't know much about yet. During the Cretaceous, dinosaur domination continued as the continent moved further away. The famous dinosaurs of this period these include Rex, Triceratops, Spinosaurus, and Velociraptor. The largest known dinosaurs, including Argentinosaurus, date back to the Cretaceous. The Cretaceous is the Cretaceous Tertiary, when an asteroid 6 miles, 10 kilometers wide, collides with the Earth, leaving a collision crater over 110 miles, 180 kilometers in diameter on the Yucatan Peninsula. It ended with an extinction event, current Mexico. In the collision area known as the Chicxulub, there is evidence of shocked quartz and small glass-like spheres called tektites. It is formed when the rock evaporates rapidly and cools with incredible power. What is the biggest dinosaur? The smallest dinosaur? Some were huge dinosaurs and some were small dinosaurs. The smallest recorded dinosaurs are the bird dinosaurs that live today. The Cuban bee hummingbird is just over 5 centimeters long and weighs less than 2 grams. For extinct non-avian dinosaurs, there are some of the smallest animal candidates, including a 13-inch, 32-centimeter long, 11-ounce, 306-gram Chinese bat-like dinosaur called the Ambopteryx longibrachium. Titanosaurus was the largest dinosaur. However, it is difficult to determine the mass of a dinosaur because paleontologists rarely find a complete skeleton, and soft tissue such as organs and muscles rarely fossilize. However, Argentinosaurus up to 110 short tons, 100 long tons, and the unnamed 98 million-year-old Argentinian Titanosaurus, 69 short tons, 63 long tons, compete for the title of the world's largest dinosaur. Patagotitan also weighed 69 tons. Did the dinosaurs have wings? Yes, some dinosaurs flaunted their feathers, as did the descendants of birds. Feathers do not fossilize well, but some notable fossils, especially those from Liaoning Province, China, buried after a volcanic eruption, preserve feathers. It is unknown why the dinosaurs first evolved their feathers, but they may have been used as insulation to keep the dinosaurs and their hatched eggs warm. According to a 2018 study by the journal Nature Ecology and Evolution, pterosaurs may have had wings, but to be sure, more winged specimens need to be found and analyzed. However, popular culture depictions of dinosaurs rarely have wings, including Jurassic Park. Why are dinosaurs extinct? It is arguable how well the dinosaurs did before the asteroid collided with Earth. A handful of studies suggest that dinosaur extinctions increased and diversity decreased during the late Cretaceous, especially among herbivorous dinosaurs. However, these studies rely on incomplete fossil data and models that may not convey the big picture. Even if the dinosaur diversity diminished, the dinosaurs could have bounced off if the asteroid hadn't been attacked. Dinosaurs inhabited all continents, including the Antarctic continent, and filled different buds in different ecosystems, from herbivores to apex carnivores. Dinosaurs have experienced many ups and downs of diversity in the evolutionary history of more than 150 million years. If mass extinction did not occur, it could be more prosperous than birds today. After the asteroid collision, the turmoil was followed by long-lasting pain. The collision caused massive destruction such as shockwaves, heat pulses, wildfires, tsunamis, including momentary 1-mile-high tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, deadly acid rain, and earthquakes. This hot dust rain has kept the Earth warm for hours after the collision, cooking live animals that are too big to find shelter. Small animals that may be hiding underground, underwater, or in burrows or large logs may have survived this first heat wave. Dust and particles stayed in the air, blocking the sun for several years, causing a nuclear winter to cool the planet and killing countless flora and fauna. Also said that asteroids crushed carbon-rich rocks and released carbon into the atmosphere after a nuclear winter, causing global warming for thousands of years. Can dinosaurs return? In the popular Jurassic Park movie series, scientists found dinosaur DNA stored in ancient mosquitoes trapped in amber and fill the gaps in that DNA with frog DNA. It's an interesting story, but science is by no means solid. For example, amber does not store DNA well, and frogs have nothing to do with dinosaurs. They are not archosaurs, and a 2017 study in the National Academy of Sciences journal Proceedings found that frog evolution began after an asteroid collision. For various reasons, it is currently impossible to revive an extinct dinosaur. Some scientists are studying ways to turn birds into dinosaurs, such as the so-called dinosaur chicken, which has elongated tails, teeth, arms, and fingers. One group gave chicken embryos a dinosaur-like nose, but the researchers said that the Chickenosaurus is not a replica of an ancient dinosaur, but a dinosaur-like bird.